Hey, hello everyone. Today is our 21st day of finding job series. Yeah, it is the 21st day, and I think the day 21 means it feel like a lots of time has been already passed, because I think there is one saying about the day 21. If you do certain type of a task or a certain type of a habit will build if you repeat it for the 21 days. Yeah, we do it for 21 days without any failure. We are upskilling ourselves, doing solving a problem, building a project, working on our communication skill, and yeah, doing for I think more than 21 days. But yeah, let's say it's a 21 days. Let's start our today's day. Okay, so as usual, I wake up at 7, did some exercise, and after that get ready and sat on my desk. Today I learned about the type and interface, which is in TypeScript. So in TypeScript we can able to see the thing called type and interface. Let me tell you what it is. In JavaScript, means in JavaScript or in regular React, we know when I declare some variables like let a is equal to 20, then I am able to change it. A is equal to any string like Rutik, then I am again able to change it into the a is equal to object. Okay, so and if I create one object like a const user is equal to name is equal to Rutik, age is equal to 25. So I am also able to change it later, like a const user, a username is equal to Ritik, and age is equal to 25 in string. That will be happens in JavaScript, because JavaScript is saying us that it is not my problem, it's your problem. You have to declare it very well that I am not get confused. If you doing some means if you giving something to me, I will do as it is. I'm not provide any strictness that I'm not telling you that if there is age it should be number, you cannot provide the string or like that. Okay, so JavaScript not be strict with us, but sometimes it's not good for our big scale application, so we want that strictness. So language that allow us with play with variables, but if I want the number in that place, so I am able to accept the number only. So we want that type of a strictness in variable declaration for a certain, I think for certain events, not for everywhere. For that, TypeScript introduce type and interface. Actually, TypeScript provides us that strictness. When JavaScript say that it's not my work, so TypeScript say let me handle it. So it provides us two things called type and interface. Okay, so using type, I am able to write like let a is equal to means number, it should be number, and is equal to 20. So basically we are using type for a value definition. I'm get means I'm using type and shape for the shaping my values or shaping my data. uh, for using type I am able to shape my values. I am using type for the values, for the functions, for the primitives. We can able to also use for objects. So I write that age should be the number, name should be the string, or username should be the means string, or like anything like age. I'm also means the declare it, assign it actually. Type in means it's actually more flexible. So in type also I am able to write like age is equal to number is equal to float, means slash float slash string, anything means that age can be these threes also. So yeah, type is very flexible. Okay, and also I'm able to write like type a is equal to name, is equal to string, type B is equal to age is equal to integer number, and I am able to write like type C is equal to type A and B. That also fine in the type, because type is very flexible. Okay, and basically type used for the value definition. Okay, for assigning any values, integers, numbers, strings, function, object, that kind of things. For that kind of things we use the type. And interface, actually interface are built before the type, and it's follow like a object oriented type of a pattern, because it's, I think, mm, let's take an example. So I think interface, it's loosely based on the object oriented type of a programming language. So it is like work like as a blueprint of the object. Okay, so if I want any data in objectal from form, so I use the interface, like const user, interface user, name is equal to string, age is equal to number. And uh, i'm not able I'm not gonna change it, means in JavaScript I'm able to change it, but in interface, using interface, I'm not able to change that data. Okay, and let me tell you, interface gives us one thing called merging it. So I write const user, name is equal to string, age is equal to number, and again I write const user, phone number is equal to this, email is equal to this, and I'm able to merge that two things into one things. And when I create another user, another object, it should be the blueprint of that interface user. So I if we use that data for a student, then name should be the string. It can follow the same pattern. But the merging which we can able to do in interface, that merging we are not able to do in type also, in type. So sometime interface may be good, sometime type may be good, but their object is like declaring the variables, and it should be the more strict. So for declaration of object we use the interface, and declaration of the values we use the type. That is the pretty concept. Okay, it is fine. After that I solve the problems around the strings. We know the part of strings which is currently going on. I solve the different problems, and actually I feel it little better, because I am able to come with the approach, and that approach I am able to convert into the code. Because sometimes what happen na, approach is very clear, but converting into this code, means converting this approach into the code, sometimes it's very difficult, not difficult, but it's tricky. Okay, so I am able to, means I am able to code that I am able to convert, and it's give me little motivation. Yeah, that's what is. After the string, after the DSA problems, I did my lunch. My friend come to visit me, so I went outside for lunch, and after that I come and did the project part. Had one feature in it which is working fine. So currently there are 4 section was remaining in my project, which is not, I am not create design around it, so I have to first start and create whole design. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm working on that as well. I will figure it out by tomorrow maybe. Yeah, and after that I did some communication practice, and applied some jobs. Today I didn't receive any call or anything. Let's see. And actually I'm feeling that I'm not continuously applying. I'm just applying on the Naukri and LinkedIn. I have to try some another way, some another application. I have to email, means try cold emailing, cold calling, lots of things. But I think I'm get confused to whom I email, to whom I call, or I have. I think for first 10 to 15 days, I message lots many people on LinkedIn, but the response is very, means very minimal. uh, Around, I think I message around, I think 100 to 200 peoples, and only 10 to 5 peoples are giving response, and I'm not able to convert means any opportunity to lead, because yeah, but I have to find some other another ways. I'm working on it actually. I try to apply on different platforms as well. I am trying to going to the career pages of the companies, and find there if there is any opening. If there is any opening, I try to mail them directly. I will send my resume to them. But yeah, I'm trying. Let's see, I have to focus more on the job application part as well, because if I didn't get any opportunity to show my skills, then I'm not able to know that I'm actually improving or not, or my skill set are means my skill set is capable or enable for that type of a jobs, is actually better or not, or I have to improve, or yeah, the that sort of type of things I get after the interviews. We know the basic idea that I have to improve a lot, or I have to improve that section. But yeah, for that we need to get some opportunities, so we can express, or we can able to give our best shot. Yeah, that's it for today. I Today's day was fine. We complete our four main task: learning a thing, solving a problem, working on the project, applying a job, and daily communication session was also done. Yeah, feel like lots of day has been passed, and till I didn't get any opportunity. What happened after 19 days? Lots of questions, but yeah, we know consistency is the key. So let's do our task daily.